Hello guys, today marks a special day as this is my first video in my channel with a review and unboxing of this smartwatch which came out like a week ago. That is provided by Oppo, called as Oppo Watch. Let's get started and do the unboxing. Starting out with the box, I must say the design of the box is very minimal. As you can see, the box has this glittery image of the device, and in the side we have the Oppo branding followed by the device details in the back, which has the information of the smartwatch. Quickly unwrapping the plastic cover of this box. Here is our Oppo smartwatch with 41mm AMOLED display. It has 320x360 resolution, and as you can see, the bezels are pretty much visible. This smartwatch consists of continuous heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, and sensors like ambient light sensor, gyroscope, geomagnetic sensors, barometric sensors. The strap is also of very good quality, and Oppo calls it as a fluoro rubber strap. Let's go ahead and check out what's inside the box. This is the magnetic charger which has VOOC Flash Charging in it, and it will charge our smartwatch pretty much fast. Moving on, we have some manuals and some warranty related papers. They have also provided the extra holder which you can add up in the strap. Now let's boot up the device. This smartwatch is powered by Google's Android based Wear OS operating system with Snapdragon Wear 3100 and Ambiq Micro Apollo 3 dual processors. The boot animation looks beautiful in this AMOLED device. The battery capacity compared to the 46mm is less on this device, but Oppo claims of 21 days of battery life with the normal mode. Now the device has booted up. Let's quickly set it up, and for this you would require Wear OS to download on your mobile. I have successfully paired up this smartwatch with my device. You can see the first screen, and the Android Wear OS will guide you through its swipe patterns and slides. We have two buttons on this side. The first one is a menu button and the second one is assigned to workouts. This is how it looks in my hand. The AMOLED screen is so much vibrant and the device really fits well in my hand. The major disappointment for me is the bezels. It is clearly visible, and the battery backup of this 41mm is around a single day. It hardly lasts for a single day only. This is the magnetic dock charger which has VOOC Flash Charging built in. Thanks for watching the video guys. Do let me know what do you think about this watch in the comment section below, and do like and subscribe.